Have a nice day everyone. Welcome back to our channel. For today's video po ay magluluto tayo ng salmon bones. And here we have garlic, onions, and dried chilies. Igigisa lang po natin yan. And then we can add our other ingredients. 1 teaspoon chili powder and salt, and of course 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Syempre, gisahin lang po natin yan ng maayos para magmamantika po siya mamaya. You can see the difference later. Saute it for around 1 minute maybe, and then you can add our olives. Few olives only. Parang lasang sardinas to guys. Masarap po siya. Natira kasi yung olives ko, kaya ayan. Hinanapan ko ng paraan para magamit ko siya. And then here we can add our clean and fresh salmon bones. Pero may laman-laman po yan siya guys. Masarap. Don't add water first. Let it soak or cook for around 2 to 3 minutes on low fire so that the spices that we put will what do you call that, the salmon will absorb that nutrient from our other ingredients. Wow, sana tama ba yun? Para kasi sa ating mga international viewers ay sana all malay nyo, diba? Balang araw mayroon tayong international viewers. Kailangan maniwala muna tayo sa ating mga sarili para maniwala din yung ibang tao. Ayan, after few minutes, pwede na rin po natin yung lagyan ng ating tubig. Enough water lang po para maluto ang ating isda. Hayaan lang po natin maluto at tirahan lang po natin ng konting sarsa para syempre masarap yung kain natin with kanin. San ka pa? Shout out to all our viewers, our friends and not friends, and to our members and super chatters. Ayan, luto na po yan siya guys. And ready to eat na po. Syempre, huwag kalimutan na magsaing ha. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Thank you so much. Ingat. Bye.